Here's a quick video on making your OnShape HMS logo. So the new tools you're going to learn today about importing is your biggest one, okay? You're going to use OnShape to make a 2D sketch where you copy the picture below. We're tracing it instead of doing it freehand like the train on the previous assignment. First thing you need to do is download this image below. So download your image. It's going to look different on your Chromebook than it is my Windows computer. Okay, so mine's going to go in that spot. After you save it, you're going to insert it into OnShape. You're going to trace it, and then you're going to take a screenshot and you're going to submit it here. Okay, make sure you put your name at the bottom. Okay, and you have videos down here to help you do this assignment. Down here in the green, once I'm done with this video, you'll see it there. Okay, so first thing, we already downloaded it. Now we're going to insert it, and then we're going to sketch. So you're going to go to OnShape. You're going to create a doc. You're going to name it your name, followed by HMS logo. After OnShape loads up, first thing you want to do is find this plus button down here. Let me move this up out of the way. This plus button, and after you click on the plus button, you're going to say, gotta get that camera button out of the way. Import, okay? The import button. After you hit the import button, it's going to ask you, what do you bring in? Well, on your Chromebooks, you might as well just click on the recent button, click on the picture that you just saved. But in this case, I'm going to go where I saved it, and I'm going to bring it into the thing. Okay, you'll see a new window showed up down here, a new tab. So you have HMS logo right here with its name. Okay, so after you have that in your program, you're going to go to the front view. You're going to start a sketch on the front view. You're going to go up here where it says Insert DXF or DWG. Click on the down arrow and say Insert Image. Okay, then you're going to click on HMS logo, and then it says Draw Image Rectangle. So you click once for your top left, once for your bottom right. I'm going to click on the corner and drag it a little closer to the middle. It doesn't have to be exact, but I like it to be there. So I'm going to do that. Here's a big key that's going to make this easier for a lot of you. Finish this sketch, so hit your check mark. Okay, so sketch 1, that way you can hide it when you're done later. Okay, start a new sketch, start sketch 2. Okay, so sketch 1 is literally just the picture you're going to trace. Sketch 2 is going to be your actual work. Okay, so where are we drawing? We're drawing on the front. Okay, I'm going to do the circle around the outside first, and I don't know where the true center is, so what I'm going to do is go to 3-point circle, click once for the top left up here, once for the bottom right over here, and then once on the bottom left over there. So that gets it on there really well. Okay, then I'm going to go to corner rectangle, and I'm going to click right here and go down to that corner. Okay, so then I have that one. If you can see, the M and the S are super easy. They're just literally straight lines. The H is where you have a few extra things that you're going to be doing. Okay, and again, this is why you did number 1. See, look, I can hide number 1 and see what I still need to do easier. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my line tool, press the L button, and I'm going to zoom in on the letters, and I'm just going to start tracing them around. Oh, it didn't get that. There we go. This one goes right here. Remember, if you see that little line show up on the side of it, it means it's completely straight like it should be. So that S is done. Now I'm going to go over here and focus on the M. I'm going to start right here, there, there. Turn my line tool back on. Go from right here to right here. Go from here to there. And then you can see the M is done now. Okay, see, I can hide sketch 1 and see that it's there. Okay, now I'm going to go over here to the H. What I'm going to do is do the straight parts first. So I'm going to start right here, and it goes down to roughly right there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm going to go over here, start right here, go straight down, make the inside of the H. Use that so it connects straight. Okay, now I'm going to do the bottom part. Okay, so we have the straight lines done. Now all we got to do is go to 3-point arc, connect this to this, and then put the arc on it. So then we're going to connect this one right here to that one right here, connect it to the arc, connect here to here, put the arc, connect here to here, make the arc where it needs to go. And then if I zoom out and I check my work by hiding sketch 1, that looks pretty good. Okay, last thing on your directions right here is that you need to write your name underneath of it. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to go to the text button, click right here, go right here, and then I'm just going to write my name. Okay, and then I'm going to take, I can hide sketch 1. I can take that screenshot, or I can take a screenshot of this page right here. Either way, just hide sketch 1 by hitting the eyeball over here. That way you only see what you did on your own. So remember, sketch 1 was literally just you putting the picture in. Sketch 2 was your tracing. Okay, so take the screenshot of this, turn it in on Canvas, and this assignment is done.